Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and this is the Vanva cell phone holder for your car. What I really like about this holder is how stable it is. You don't have to glue it to your dashboard. You can simply clamp it into the vent and it stays put all the time. It really doesn't move. It's pretty strong and it fits any size phone really. For example, this is an iPhone XS Max, and you just simply clamp it and it stays put. It doesn't really move, and it's pretty cool because you can rotate your phone any way you want it. Like you can tilt it up or tilt it down and it really stays in place. And it's great because you can put your maps or anything you want to show on the phone, and you can face it whatever way you want it. So if you're looking for a very good cell phone holder for a very good price, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.